Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
What Bangladesh is doing right now. And the main person responsible is the so-called Prime Minister who stole the election, Sheikh Hasina. Sheikh Hasina is not a Prime Minister of Bangladesh. She's a cancer. She's a virus. She's a tumor. And she will cause the downfall of the country of Bangladesh.
Does she care for anything like she want to care for India, right?
She does.
Once again, we're here. After 1 year, we thought that Hasina would listen to us, but we're here again, and we're going to come here again next year if she doesn't let all these people who are in jail free. First of all, we see the brutality which is taking place, the violations, the mass violations of human rights on the citizens of Bangladesh. And we are here together, spending time from our busy schedules to really protest and show that what's going on in Bangladesh is actually something really, really wrong and it has to be stopped immediately. The people from the government of Bangladesh, many of the representatives are here. So we are pleading to you to really look at yourself and see where you're leading the country towards. You know, it's about 38, 39 years since Bangladesh got its independence. You see many other countries like Malaysia and so many other countries who started similar times and received their independence. It's really sad to see like our country so behind. Every time I look at, I don't even look at the news to be honest. Every time I look, I just see violence and violence. Every time I see there's protests and police brutality, and these men right here, these are pictures of people.
We are here when the Bosnia of we did for the Bosnia, Chechnya, and we're still doing for the Palestine, and we are out here in this land in Manhattan for Libya, and we can see what has been done to Egypt. So I want to tell my respected honorable Prime Minister that don't think people
rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, fellow citizens, you all have been informed by this time why is this crowd here? Why all these people have gathered here in this place? This is a place, we have a hotel in front of us, and we have a prime minister of a country from South Asia.